everyone, today we're learning to add trust icons to our Shopify announcement bar. If you look up the top there, you can see that they've added PayPal and Stripe white logos to our announcement bar, which helps convey trust to the visitors that are arriving on the website, and it also helps them understand what payment options are available before they get to the checkout. So hopefully this lessens the abandoned cart on your website. So let's get started. This is what the default DOM theme looks like, and this is what we're going to do to the announcement bar. So there's a few things we're going to need to do. We are going to need to edit the code, but I'll be showing you everything step by step. Down below, you'll find some instructions. You can open that up now. And we're going to need the back end of our Shopify store as well. So let's head over to the instructions. First of all, we're going to download the trust icons. I've already downloaded mine to the desktop. Next, you're going to upload these trust icons to the file section in your Shopify store. So head over to Shopify. You want to head to the back end, and up the top here, just type in files. Click on this, and then click the green button, Upload Files. Okay, I've got ZipPay, Afterpay, Stripe, and PayPal all in white. I'm just going to upload them all for the moment. Okay, that's done now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this tab open. I'm going to go to the online store. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open in a new tab because I want to be able to get back to this and grab some links. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go into customize the theme. Now don't be scared, but we are going to enter some code. So head back over to your instruction sheet and we're going to open the announcement-bar.liquid file. So back into the customized theme, click the three dots on the top and click edit code. You can simply search for it at the top, ANN, and that will find you announcement-bar.liquid. Click on the file. Now what we want to find is this section here. Mine starts on line 10. It's P class announcement bar message. So look around line 10 and we're going to find that. We're then going to see where the closing P is for it. Mine is on line 15. Let's see if we can find that. Here's line 10. There's my opening and all the way down there to my closing. So in between line 14 and 15, we're going to go to line 14 and click return and make a space. And this is where we're going to add a new line of code. Back to the instructions, and you're going to grab this line here. You're going to grab all the line. You're going to copy, okay, or Control C, jump back over there, and Control V for paste. You're then going to replace this section here from the H to the G with the image of the logo that you're going to use. So jump over to your first tab and pick your first logo that you'd like to use. So we're going to use the PayPal logo. So click on the PayPal logo and grab this line of code. This is the location where the image sits on Shopify. So Control C for copy. Come back over here and replacing that, whoops, make sure you grab all of it, Control V. Make sure that these dittos, okay, these little commas, inverted commas or whatever they are, they still are there. We don't want to delete them. Now that is one logo. I want to add two logos at the top. So I'm simply going to select this, copy it, go to the end, space, and paste. Now, same thing, we're going to replace this with a different logo. So jump over to your files, and I think I'm going to go to Afterpay logo. So select that information, copy, back to your customization of code, and we're going to replace that. And you can click save. That's the hard part done. The next bit, jump back to your instructions. Okay, we're going to open the base.css file, and we're going to grab this information and replace it. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back here, my code, I'm going to search for base.css. There it is. I'm going to open that up, and all all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to paste that information. And I'm going to click save. Okay, and let's have a look what we've done to the live site. This is the live site. Let's refresh and see. Great. So we've got the logos there, but the text that was here is black and it's on black. So we need to go and make that white. So go back to your instructions. Under step 8, grab this little bit of code from the full stop down to the closing comma. Copy. Come back to your customization. Click on announcement bar. Custom CSS, click on that and just paste that information in there. Now you can choose any color you like. F equals white. Okay, so I'll just show you how that's working. Let's say you wanted it red. We can go back here. Whoops, too many windows. We can go back here, click announcement button. We can change that to, oh, well, that's an orange. Okay, you can see it changing up there. So you can go to a hex calculator and work out that, or you can actually select some images, some text, and save. Have a look at the live site and see what that's done. Now, if you want this announcement bar not to be black, we can also change that. So back into the code, under the base CSS, right down here where it says announcement bar and it says background color, 6 zeros is black. So we can change that to any color you like, or you can type in, what did we have there? Hot pink. And back to the live site and we'll have a look. Oops, obviously didn't save it. Let's go and save. There we go, hot pink. Now remember the text, we changed that as well. So let's go change that back to white. You can just type white and save. And there we go. And that's how we add trust icons to our announcement bar in Shopify on the Dawn theme. That's it for me. Bye for now.